internet connection, then you have a lot of application to do practice, and it's totally depends up to you that how you are eager and keen to learn this, inclined toward this language. If you have a burning desire, definitely you will achieve, because when you have internet connection.
So we are meeting first time. Please introduce yourself.
Definitely. My name is Jaya. I am connected from Jharkhand. I have completed my post graduation in English literature, and nowadays I am working on my communication skill as well as English spoken skill. It's my brief introduction.
Good. And what is your hobbies?
As far as my hobbies are concerned, I like to traveling and explore new things in my life. I totally into reading, and whenever I get free time, I try to do some good things in
Mm,
life,
okay.
which help to needed person. It's my hobby.
Okay, now my turn. I'm Tanya Singh. I'm joining you from Jaipur, Pink City. I'm a homemaker. I have a daughter also. And my hobby is playing badminton. And whenever I'm getting free time, I'm watching movies.
Yeah, nice. You have a great hobbies, and thanks for share your insight in your hobby. It's lovely to hear about yourself. That ma'am, that just you mentioned that you like your hobby is playing the badminton. So let's discuss in this session regarding such type of topic, because you are lover of playing. So
Not lover of
what's
badminton,
according to
but yes, I'm giving company to my daughter.
uh, because our new generation, basically the new generation, are totally indulge themselves in the mobile, and whenever they try to play any game, they prefer to play game using the online games, using the
Mm,
internet and computer games. Then what's your, according to you, what's the any play, such like you play badminton with your daughter, what's the play a role in our life, in our health, and
okay.
how our youth,
Like,
yeah, we can motivate our youth inclined toward the such type of game.
mm, like there are two type of game. Like outside you can play, and there is indoor game also. When weather is not good, like sometimes climate is rainy, that time you can play indoor games. And when like weather is very good, so you can play cricket, football, some other games also. And there is one game I like, kho,
Book. Yeah,
kabaddi, basketball. It's all are good because when you are playing like outdoor games, that time your muscles will be strong. And because
yes, yes,
most of the outdoor games are there are so many players, so you will learn how to play in the group.
yes. Yeah,
But when
it's
you are like playing indoor games like video games also, so you are just playing alone. Okay, there is no
yes,
partner with you. All the
yes,
partners you will get online. Okay, and
yes,
they
yes, yes.
and sometime like there are some other games also, they are demanding some money also. So
Yes.
sometimes children are, thefting in their own home. They're stealing some amount also. And there was one game also, PUBG game. I don't like this game because, I think 1 year ago or 2 year ago, so many kids had done some, um, I can say like they had injured themselves
Yeah,
because of
yeah.
PUBG game. And there was one game also, Blue Whale.
Fluent. Yeah.
Yes, they were very dangerous. And like some games, carom board, Ludo, yeah, they are good. But yes, you should
Yes.
always give attention to your child. Like there are so many online player on that, games. So you should always, give some attention.
Yeah, ma'am, I am totally agree with you that physical, when we play outdoor games, and when you used to go grounds and play badminton, footballs, it's become a very good for our physical health.
Hmm.
Beside also as well as mental health also, and we should
Physical
try
health,
to
mental
we
health.
should.
And nowadays, children are, their height is not up to the mark. So they should play outdoor games.
Because children also see their parents that they in all day involved in computer, laptop, do their work. So children don't have so much time in actual way. Many parents don't have so much time to spend with their children because many person prefer to do work. Also, both parents, mother and father. So actually, really, it's become very challenging for the parents. They pick some times to spend their children's every day.
Mm.
So
Sometimes every day is not possible. You can give your child, your quality time on weekends.
yeah,
If you
yeah,
are working,
definitely,
people are working,
definitely,
they can give their quality time on weekend.
definitely, ma'am. You are right here. And when our children play online game, they become habituated to play such type of game. And really, this type of game are not good for our children's mental health and physical health. Yeah.
This is the reason most of the childs now using spect also because
Yes, yes,
their
yes. And many.
eyesight is not good.
Yeah, not good. And it's become addicted for our children, and it's become harmful for our children's mental and physical health. So in the early of their age, many children go need to go to psychiatrist and
Mm, yes.
psychologist to consult only due to all this environment.
Mm.
So I am agree with you. Then some
Nowadays there are
second
so many things. Like nowadays there are so many things they can distract your child. So it is
many
only
things.
your responsibility being a parent. You should always give your, all focus to your child.
Yes, yes, ma'am. You are totally right here. So then you are from the Jaipur, the pink city.
So
This
I basically belong from Uttar Pradesh.
UP. Okay.
Mm.
And you right now reside in Jaipur. Then tell me about something about the Jaipur because I never been to Jaipur and I heard many things. The Jaipur, Udaipur, all are very good to travels and many things are famous. So please tell me something.
Mm. Jaipur is famous for their hospitality, and there are
Hospitality.
so many palaces like Amer Fort, Jal Mahal, and there is one Nahargarh Fort, Jaigarh Fort. All are very famous, and this is the perfect season for coming Jaipur.
Right now.
Yes, because
Okay.
summer is not good in Rajasthan.
Okay.
Mm. Yes,
In the summer,
actually, yes, you were saying something.
uh-huh. My question is that the winter season you are facing so cold, freezing cold. Yeah, its temperature is always moderate.
Not
What's
moderate. Weather is just like Delhi. But now, yes, weather is now, perfect weather, I can say, for the tourist.
yeah, right now the perfect weather to visit. Yeah, in the
Mm.
future when I get opportunity to visit, I wish to visit Rajasthan, Kerala, and Jammu Kashmir because three state I heard so many advantages and so many things to explore. So in future, definitely I will visit to Jaipur.
There are so many famous market like Johari Bazaar, Bapu Bazaar. You can buy Rajasthani bangles and Rajasthani poshak and tie and dye prints fabrics also and some
Okay.
imitation jewelry.
Mhm. And Rajasthan is also famous for their tradition. And really like the traditional dress the women wear on any occasion and celebrate every function. It's also captivating. It's very fascinating. It's all are very good. Yeah.
Mm.
Always I wish to visit Rajasthan.
Gangor and Tej are the main festival of Rajasthan. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Mm. And mostly people are very simple, I can say. And they have, nature of hospitality. And the cuisine all over world know dal, bati, churma, gatte ki sabji, kher sangri. And if you like, non-veg, so Lal Mans is very famous.
In non-veg.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, nice. It's good. Then,
Mm.
ma'am, how many long you are working on your English spoken skill and how you incline toward English and how you realize the importance of spoken English because I did my PG in English, but till right that time, I was not aware with the fact that we should start to speaking this as a language. I considered that time that English as only as a subject. I try to read a lot of novels, drama, poems, but and give the answer of my questions only to qualify in my examination, and I
Mm.
get good marks. But after that, I realized that we should try to do practice.
Mm.
So I
Yes.
start to my journey to doing practice. So, ma'am, tell me about yourself. How you can you start your journey?
Like your and my story are same because that time there were no, internet. I can say internet was available,
Yeah,
but nowadays you can easily take internet facility.
yeah, it access everywhere.
And yes, my first phone was not my first phone. My family first mobile phone was Reliance. Okay, and that time internet connectivity was very, costly, expensive. So we are also we I also follow the same pattern just like you. We are just cramming grammar rules, some other thing because our teacher also explained in Hindi. English,
Yes, yes,
sentences, they always explain in Hindi. But nowadays, like we are getting so many facilities, and there is some other application like Skype. There are so many applications. If you are getting opportunity, then you should utilize this. And if I talk about like my journey, so I had started my journey 1 year ago.
yes, yes. Uh, good, ma'am. That you mentioned that internet connection play a vital role of learning this language. I am thoroughly agree with you here because it's absolutely right. If you have internet connection, then you have a lot of application to do practice, and if it's totally depends up to you that how you are eager and keen to learn this,
Mm,
inclined toward this language. If
mm,
you have a burning desire, definitely you will achieve, because
mm.
when you have an internet connection you can
The
teach.
family, in the
Mhm.
family, mostly persons are, trust on you. If I talk about like in the reference of children, they always believe mother can educate their children in the very best way, I can say. If mother is not able to speak in English, how can she handle their kids? Because nowadays mostly children are doing their studies in private school, English medium
Private
school.
English medium school, yeah.
And if
And
mother
ma'am
is
is
going
sick.
to the PTM
Mhm.
and she is not able to speak, your child, sometimes they can feel embarrassed. Why my mother can't speak English?
Particularly when mother participate in parents teacher meeting, the many
Mm,
mothers of children are speak English language with their children, and whenever you don't speak with your mother, with your children in English medium, then the child think that my mother is don't know this language. Yeah.
yes.
So not for our future, for the future of our children, the many mothers are inclined toward this language and try to update themselves, herself
Mm,
in this language.
yes.
Yeah,
If you don't want that your child feel embarrassed towards their teachers and classmates, so I think you should learn this language.
yeah, definitely. Your message is very impressive one, I can say, and inspiring
Because
one. And
because it's
mhm,
the Indian system, I can say, in the family, if your child is, very doing very good in their academics, they always give the, like her mother has given so many time, so many hours for their children. They always praise you. You had not
yeah,
given proper time to your child. It's a common thing
yeah.
in every family.
Mhm. All things depend on the mother. How you
Yes,
treat with your children. Yeah,
yes.
and
It's a
mother
bit
support is a big support
like we
for
are
children.
living in 21st century, but yes, in the most of the families, father always say you should give your time to your child, how she is doing, because father is always busy in their work. They have no
Yes,
time
yes.
for their.
Yeah, it's true that nowadays every person has a great responsibility in their office and work, and so many burden. So
Mm.
they pressurized by their office. So how they can take a time for the children? It's become a big responsibility for a mom as a mother. We must
This
try
is
to
always
learn.
said. This is always said. You should always marry with the educated girl because if the girl is educated, so in the future, if you are getting some, children, your children automatically they can educate.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes. Actually, today I'm facing some, sore throat problem. That is the reason sometimes my voice is not coming properly.
Okay. Oh, um,
Yes.
it's maybe the weather is changing right now. It's turning to winter to summer. So it's maybe the reason of climate
Just
changing.
I was yesterday I get one circular from the school. There is one competition, and they want, inland letter. We can say Antardesi Patra. You know Antardesi Patra?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right now it's not, but uh,
Yes.
10 year,
When
yeah,
kid,
15 year
when
ago.
I was kid, you can get easily some stationery shops. But nowadays, if you are searching these inland letters, you can't find it. So today I went post office, and
Okay.
when I know the price of that letter, it was uh, 2.50 rupees. I was shocked. It is so cheap.
Two, 2.50.
Yes,
Oh, means
and
2
after a
rupees
long
and 50 paise.
yes, after a
Yes, yes.
long period, I watched that Antardesi Patra. You can say inland letter. So right now, my daughter is writing what their teacher has given. She is just writing on the Antardesi Patra or inland letter. She had saw that letter first time.
It's a good lesson for children because we should try to familiarize our children also with our traditional culture. And
Yes,
our new
it,
generation cannot see all this type of
mm,
things. They only use Gmail
mm.
and WhatsApp. There are many groups, so it's become a very
She is writing first time on the inland letter. She is writing one letter. Any other thing you would like to add it in this conversation?
no, ma'am. It's